Gelatin gave me a dose of anti-poison. Ew, gross. All soggy. Gelatin, do you have any more anti-poison? Well...
Nako, makdo na dito ka. Isa ni makdo undi.
Let's get started. Today, we're
Sorry,
playing Speedrunner versus Hunter. These are the rules. If I defeat the Ender Dragon without dying, then I win. If Mikey's...
Sorry, Daddy. Sorry.
Ah, bakos.
No, I don't like Bakos.
Paano ang filter nito? Basta natin buak ha. Basta natin chip ha. Basta natin. Basta broken to ang screen ha. Paa ko na mo cellphone. Basta broken ang screen. Dili, wala kay apel. Sige ka. Hapak ko.
McDonald's. I want McDonald's.
No.
I hate Jollibee.
Anak ka. Dili ka apel. Wala ka din ano. Apel ka.
Bubble tea. I don't like that meat. I don't like Mr. No, I hate Jollibee. Daddy, I hate Jollibee. Daddy, I want McDonald's. Daddy, I want McDonald's. Daddy.
Spaghetti o
Magapay? Magapay? O si drink mo.